Hello, this is Eric at Print Show at Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. And then looking into the back seat where you have spacious seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And in the middle you have 2 cup holders with a 12-volt, a USB and USB-C, and 120-volt power outlet. This truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip and fuel information, truck info, towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is like a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to the left side of the steering wheel, where you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. And you have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you can see all around your truck, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your camera view, again, your hazards, your traction control shut off, and you do have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down though, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here with dual zone front climate and heated front seats so you can stay cozy. To the left you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, sport, and then on the opposite end you have slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts. So you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. Moving down, you have this cubby with a USB and USB-C inside. Then you have your main shifter with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears and can be collapsed out of the way for more open space here. Then you have 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. And then last but not least, you do also have a power sliding rear window, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.